Welcome friend to my channel BNB Drawing Academy. I am drawing this for the beginners who are interested with oil pastel. At first I draw the figures with graphite pencil, a farmer working in his field with his family. They are together working in their field to cultivate the potatoes. And then I draw the background scenery, trees, banana tree, etc. I used for the sky light blue and deep blue hue. Sap green is for the background trees and light green, Persian blue are also there. I used light yellow, light green, Persian blue are for the trees. Because light yellow is for the sunrise and Persian blue is for the shade of the images. Blue and brown and grey are for the cottage. Of the village scenery. That I use here. Orange, deep pink are also there. We must follow the rules of light and shadow to keep the images vivid. And that is the actual rules. I follow the same process as I draw the trees. Light green, lemon yellow, Persian blue and deep green are on the field. Light brown and deep brown for the stem of the tree. light pink, deep pink are for the dress. Here I used here several color pencils for the short and narrow figures. This is the proper way to draw it, I think. Light brown and deep brown are used for the plow. And the line of land for the use of cultivate. There we can use several color like light blue, orange, deep blue, black, gray, etc. for the figures, and gray for the containers of the potato and sack are on the field. Please like and share my videos and my channel to get more videos. Thanks you.